Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a long time since I did a straight what's for dinner video. Tonight, if you guys were watching up at the farmhouse last weekend, I had a bunch of vegetables I brought up that Melissa cooked from the garden. It's in full harvest right now. I got a few squash here. I have a way overgrown kohlrabi, but if you cut the middle out, it's just fine. Some beans, some snow peas, an onion, a few chunks of broccoli here. I'm going to mix this in and cook it with some of the venison that I shot from the deer last year that I have. And I'm going to make a quick little meal here that's going to be delicious. Alright, I got all the vegetables washed up here. Looks like I got a piece of grass on there. Let's get these cut up. The summer squash out there is coming along real nice. Melissa and I had some of this just last weekend and it was really good. All the vegetables are cut up now. Now I just have to cut up the meat. Like I was saying earlier, this is venison from that deer I shot last year. This is a little bit frozen, so it's easier to cut. And this here is steaks. I want this to have a little bit of a stir-fry like taste. I'm adding a little Worcestershire sauce, a little soy sauce, and a little bit of red wine vinegar. And of course a little bit of seasoning salt. And you have to have some garlic powder. Adding a little water here for the vegetables. Going to add a little bit more Worcestershire sauce. I could have used a little more salt, so I'm going to add some more soy. A small amount of seasoning salt. I'll let that cook for a while. If you guys have watched my other videos, I don't want my vegetables crunchy. I want them more on the mush side than on the crunchy side. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. That's what's for dinner. That will be dinner, and tomorrow's lunch, and tomorrow's dinner, and possibly another lunch. I'll see you guys on the next video.